welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'll be attempting to put on my side skirt and maybe some other goodies. So yeah, so I got everything all set up. Got the tent because, you know, it's another nice hot day in Minnesota. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so the reason why I removed the front wheels is because I need to take out this front mud flap in order for the side skirt to sit on the sides. So yeah, I ordered some hang rings. I got the heart shape. I'll be placing them inside. I'll be replacing these little trees. That one back there, I'll put one in the front too, and maybe one in the back, but I'll wait after I install the diffuser. So yeah, let's get rid of these uglies and install these. Let's go. Oh snap, look who showed up. It's just like that. You know, I haven't finished putting the side skirt on. It looks really good. This side looks good, other side looks good. Let me show you guys anyways. Ooh. Alright, so now all we got left is the diffuser and the rear spats. I'm getting my tent soon. And I got a rear visor for my window, so stay tuned. I may or may not put it in this video, so yeah. Alright guys, so today I'm heading over to Yellow Autosport. I'm getting a darker tent. So I currently have 50%, which is the legal tent in Minnesota, but I'm risking it with the 20%. So this is how it looks like at the moment. 20%. You can pretty much still see through. So yeah, I'm getting it all around besides the front windshield. So yeah, I'm kind of running late, so let's head on over. I'll continue when I'm there. Made it to Yellow Autosport, but I'll go check in right now. C2 on the inside with his NSX. Damn, this thing is super clean in person. Let's go say what's up, C2. Damn, this thing looks dark. Like it looks 5% for some reason, but it's 20%. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Alright guys, so today I'll be prepping Ivan's duck wing for spray paint. So let's take one more last look at this thing before I start sanding it down. Alright, put the back also. Alright, let's get to it. So I'm gonna attempt to install my diffuser today. It's in this box. I got Ivan's duck bill ready to surprise him. I don't think he's expecting anything because I didn't mention it to him. So yeah, let me jack up the rear of the car and take off the mud flaps, the wheels. For sure I gotta do some trimming, so yeah, a lot of things to do. Ivan might come later today too, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, you guys ready for the review? This thing looks sick. Hold up. Yeet. Just kidding. So me and Ivan didn't finish installing, but we did pre-drill the holes so that the next morning I could install them real quick. Also later on tomorrow, I'll be going to Ivan's house because we're gonna put on his duck bill that I painted for him, and he likes it. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I might install some more parts, so stay tuned, keep watching till the end. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up now and catch y'all tomorrow. Alright guys, so we made it at Ivan's house. Here's my Subi, sneak peek, can't really see it. Ivan's car. We're gonna install his duck bill. So he's working out on it in the back, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so me and Ivan, we're gonna install the rear visor, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so me and Ivan install the rear visor, and before I leave, I'm gonna install this little charm real quick for the tow hook. But what do you guys think? I don't know. Looks alright. Alright guys, what do you guys think? It's barely touching the bottom. I think it's alright. Guys, it's currently the next couple days. I'm waiting for Ivan to get here so that we could head out to his garage in Burnsville. We'll be trying to install his coilovers, and while he's doing that, I might try to install my rear bumper splitters. So let me show you guys what I got so far. Yeah, look, it's looking pretty good with my contender diffuser. So yeah, the car's sitting pretty good how I want it. Sadly, winter is coming soon, so I can't really enjoy this for too long. So that's why I'm enjoying it now. So yeah, we're just waiting for Ivan. So let me get finished packing all the jacks and tools while he's trying to come get here. Yeah, so I'll catch y'all when we're there. Oh shit, Ivan's here. No spot, but we're gonna leave anyway. So let me grab some more bricks. Alright guys, we made it to Ivan's shop. We're just currently moving out the boat in there so we could move our cars in there and work on it. There's Ivan's other big dog. A lot more scarier. Yeah. Let's just move out the way. Alright, get back to you guys when we start moving. Alright, quick update. We got all the coilovers in. And we're just gonna put the wheels on and lower it and see how it sits, and we'll just adjust it from there. Alright guys, so we're pretty much done for today. Ivan's car still sits a little high, but he might order new coilovers, so stick around to watch that episode. Yeah, but it is lower than how it used to. So yeah, we're just cleaning up now and we're gonna head out, go home. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, it's currently the next morning. I'm gonna be installing my rear bumper splitters. I've been doing a lot of research how to like install it, but I don't see much video about it, so I'm gonna just use 3M and rivets maybe. So yeah, let's see how it goes, and yeah, let's get started. So I got the hose drilled on here. Now I need to wipe this with alcohol and wipe the bumper with alcohol. And let's put 3M tape on this and see how it sits. Okay, so I got it on, but the only issue, just like the video I watched from Devin, is that this thing keeps popping out. So I'm gonna have to shoot a little rivet right here, just like how Devin did, so that it would just stay in place. But other than that, it's sitting pretty good. But yeah, let's drill a hole and show that rivet in. Alright guys, so I finally got the part put on. I did mess up, but I found my way around it. So yeah, you live and you learn, you know. Let me put the car down and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, so I hope you guys like that little cinematic. Yeah, the part is on, looks great. Let me know if I should add this extension that came with the diffuser. Maybe if I were to mount it, maybe I'll put it like right here, but I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below if I should add these on. I don't have to, you know, it already looks good. And before I end the video, I made some Instagram sticker from school, so let me put that on my car too. It would go like right there. But yeah, let's see how it goes. And boom, just like that, got my Instagram on there. And if you guys haven't yet, follow me on Instagram. I'll follow you guys back. It doesn't matter if you guys have a Subi or not, I'll still follow you guys. So yeah, this is it for part 2. It won't be a part 3 because, you know, I got all my body kits on the car already. It's looking pretty good. So yeah, I accomplished what I wanted to do this year for the car. So next year, I'm gonna just be doing like minor things, like maybe like a new steering wheel, custom lights. Yeah, stay tuned for all that. Subscribe if you guys haven't. Like, comment, and yeah, catch y'all on the next video. Peace out.